Hello everyone. Welcome back to Knowledge Base. In today's video, we are going to explore a complete roadmap for becoming a Java full-stack developer. If you are someone who wants to build a strong career in software development, or you are confused about where to start, this video will guide you step by step from the basics to advanced topics. So, stay with me till the end, because I will also share the kind of projects you should build and the career opportunities waiting for you. So, first of all, who is a full-stack developer? A full-stack developer is a professional who can handle both the front-end, that is, the user interface part, as well as the back-end, which includes the server, database, and application logic. Now, why Java? Well, Java is one of the most widely used programming languages in enterprises. It is robust, secure, and platform-independent. Combined with frameworks like Spring Boot and Angular or React, Java gives you everything you need to become an industry-ready full-stack developer. And the best part, there's a huge demand for Java full-stack developers across IT companies worldwide. Here's the roadmap we will follow in this video. Phase 1. Prerequisites. Phase 2. Front-end development. Phase 3. Backend development with Java. Phase 4. Databases and ORM. Phase 5. Version control and deployment. Phase 6. Advanced concepts and projects. Let's go step by step. Phase 1. Prerequisites. To start with, you need a strong foundation. Learn core Java concepts such as object-oriented programming, collections, exception handling, and multithreading. Practice data structures and algorithms because they are essential for solving real-world problems. Get familiar with development tools like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, and build tools such as Maven or Gradle. Also, learn Git and GitHub for version control. And don't forget soft skills, problem solving, communication, and teamwork are equally important. Phase 2. Front-end development. Next comes the front-end. Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript ES6 to build the basics of web pages. Then move to a modern front-end framework. For Java developers, Angular is highly recommended, but you can also go for React. Learn to style your applications using Bootstrap or Material UI. And finally, practice responsive design and integrating front-end with back-end APIs. Phase 3. Back-end development. Back-end is where Java really shines. Start with the basics like JDBC, servlets, and JSP, just to understand how things work. Then move to the Spring framework, including Spring Core and Spring MVC. The modern standard is Spring Boot, which makes it very easy to build RESTful APIs and microservices. Don't forget security. Learn about Spring Security and JWT authentication for real-world applications. Phase 4. Database and ORM. A developer cannot survive without databases. Learn SQL databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Oracle. Also explore NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Use ORM tools such as Hibernate or JPA for database interaction. And make sure you know how to design databases with normalization and relationships. Phase 5. Version control and deployment. Once you can code, you must learn how to manage and deploy applications. Learn Git for version control, including branching, merging, and pull requests. Get familiar with CI/CD tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. For deployment, start with Apache Tomcat, then move on to Docker and Kubernetes. And finally, explore cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Phase 6. Advanced concepts. To stand out as a full-stack developer, you must also know some advanced concepts. Microservices architecture, message queues like Kafka or RabbitMQ, API documentation using Swagger, testing frameworks like JUnit, Mockito, and Postman for API testing, and some knowledge of DevOps practices like containers and CI/CD pipelines. Hands-on projects. Knowledge without practice is incomplete. Here are the projects you should try. Beginner, portfolio website, CRUD application using Java and MySQL. Intermediate, e-commerce website using Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. Advanced, microservices-based online banking system or a real-time chat application. These projects will not only strengthen your skills, but will also make your resume stand out. Skills to master. Along the way, sharpen your skills. Practice coding on LeetCode, HackerRank. Learn clean coding principles like solid and dry. Understand Agile and Scrum methodologies. And keep improving your communication and teamwork skills. Career path. What kind of roles can you get? As a fresher, you can start as a Java developer or junior full-stack developer. With experience, you can become a software engineer or full-stack developer. Later, you can move into leadership roles like tech lead or solution architect. There are also freelancing and remote work opportunities. Resources. Some useful resources for your journey. Official documentation of Java, Spring, and Angular. Courses on Udemy, Coursera, and NPTEL. Books like Effective Java by Joshua Bloch and Spring in Action by Craig Walls. Times and communities like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit. Summary. To summarize, learn Frontend, Backend, databases, and tools step by step. Build real-world projects, focus on problem-solving and clean code, and keep learning continuously. And that's the complete roadmap for becoming a Java full-stack developer. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Knowledge Base for more technical content. And remember, a full-stack developer is not just a coder, but a problem solver. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.